It's the best way. It's the best way. It's the best way to start your day. The morning meeting with Michael. Yeah.
Hello, boys, girls, kittens, and mittens. Welcome to the morning meeting with Michael. Yeah. How are you? Good. This is my friend. This is Kinderbottom.
Hi, everyone.
Say hi to Kinderbottom.
Michael, what's the word of the day?
What's the word of the day? Let's find out.
Word of the day. Word of the day.
Drum roll, please. Hobbies. Hobbies are things that you like to do in your free time, like gardening, playing guitar, reading books, or practicing yoga. My hobby is gardening. Oh no! My plant is dead! When I'm sad, I like to call my friend. Let's call my friend Kimberly.
Hi, Michael. And hi, class. I'm Kimberly. I was just practicing one of my hobbies, yoga. Do you want to do yoga too? Awesome. Stand up. We're going to do a sun salutation, saying hello to the sun. Put your feet on the floor. Reach your arms up. Wave hello to the sun. And then down to your toes. Walk your feet back to downward dog pose and say roof, roof, roof like a dog. Come down to the floor. Lift up. Hello, sun. Lift up your hips to downward dog. Roof, roof, roof. Walk up to your hands. Wave, whoops, wave to the sun. Hi, sun, and bring your hands to your heart. You did it.
Wow, much better. Thanks, Kimberly. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.
Now, you can send me a video answering these questions. Bye.
It's the best way. It's the best way. It's the best way to start your day. The morning meeting with Michael. Yeah.